Hello, it's lesson 1 in AutoCAD. We start by learning how to reset profile. So this red A you see, this is the application menu. You click on that and options and on profile, come down to reset. It says that you're resetting a profile in use, which we reset the status of AutoCAD. Do you want to continue? Yes. And yes. Sometimes you need to reset profile. Sometimes you don't have right click on your mouse. You cannot right click. Again, go to application menu, go to options. This time, go to user preference tab. And make sure shortcut menu in drawing area. This one needs to be checked. Right click customization, click on that. Here in default mode, shortcut menu, make sure it's checked. And in edit menu, shortcut menu is checked. And command menu, shortcut menu is checked. And apply and close. Press apply and then press OK. Now you have right click, which is very useful. Enjoy.